So in this question here, x is a random variable normally distributed 15, 25. So that means the mean is 15 and the variance is 25. So mu equals 15, variance equals 25. Straight away we can get the standard deviation, which is 5. And our question is the probability of the absolute value of x minus mu, which is the mean, is less than some value k equals 0.6. So the area under this bit is 0.6. Now with an absolute value here, we're going to get two values. So as the area is 0.6, we're going to be 0.6 with the total area symmetrically either side of the mean. So therefore we'll have 0.3 on one side and 0.3 on the other side. Now using the empirical rule, 34% is one standard deviation from the mean. So that would be 84%, which would leave 16% in our tails. So with 0.2 either end, that would be just inside one standard deviation. So it should be somewhere around here. So that would leave this bit here as 0.6. We'd have 0.2 here and 0.2 here. Now, as this distribution is symmetrical, as it's a normal distribution, we could probably find x is less than or equal to some value k equals 0.2. That would be a good start. And then we can use the fact that it's symmetrical to find the other value on this side. So the distance from this side to the mean and this side to the mean should have the same absolute value as this. So x is less than k equals 0.2, using mu is 15, sigma is 5, and area equals 0.2. So what we need to do now, we've got it set on variable, that's good. We want the left tail, so set it to left. We want the area to be 0.2. Then we want the standard deviation to be 5, the mean to be 15, and then set that, and we get as required 10.7919 approximately, and so on. Now what we can do, if you have the calculator to do this, set it on to center, so central. So the area now will go to the 0.6 as in the question, then the standard deviation and the mean will remain the same, and now you'll see that we can get both actual results, 17.9 and so on, and 19.20 and so on. Okay. So then what we can do is find how far that is from the mean. So do 15 minus 10.7919. So that should be, let's write that down, that should give us 4.2081. So all we've got to do now is add that onto the mean, and that will give us both k values. So if I add 15 to that, so then I'll get k is 19.2081. And that with the two values of k, that will give us this answer. So if I mark those on our curve, 10.7919, that will be there, and 19.2081 would be around about here. And that fits in with our guesstimation, because as sigma is 5, mu minus sigma would be 10 and mu plus sigma would be 20. So that works kind of nice with our empirical rule to try and guesstimate roughly where we're going to be. Okay.